my friends, and welcome once again to another episode of Tony's Comfort Kitchen. Now then, today I'm doing a creamy mushroom mustard chicken dish. It is fantastic. It's creamy, it is mushroomy, it is mustardy, and it is chickeny. It's delicious. I love it. You'll love it too. So let's get on and cook it. Okay, so I'm going to start off by putting a small amount of vegetable oil in a frying pan. And into that, I'm going to put 100 grams of pancetta, chopped up. We'll cook those for a few seconds, and then I'm going to add in some mushrooms. So, I'm going to add in 150 grams of sliced mushrooms. In this case, they're like a brown chestnut mushroom, but you can use field mushrooms, you can use whatever mushrooms that you fancy. Now we're just going to cook these down. We're not going to cook them till they're really soft, because we're going to put them back into a sauce later on, and they'll finish cooking off in there. So we'll just cook these down till they're starting to release the water, and then we'll put them to one side. Put in a small amount of salt, not too much because the pancetta will be salty. You can always add more later. And a few twists of black pepper. Okay, they're releasing the water now. Just cooking for another few seconds. Turn the heat up a tad. And then we'll put them to one side and we'll cook the chicken. Okay, with the mushrooms out of the way, I will put in 500 grams of boneless, skinless chicken thigh. Now the idea is pretty much to cook this through, but if it doesn't cook 100% through, then it doesn't matter, because we'll be cooking it in the sauce later on anyway. So to that, I'll add a little bit more salt, not too much, and some more pepper. Okay, that's the chicken been cooking for about 7 or 8 minutes on each side. It's probably not cooked all the way through, but it's not a worry, because we're going to cook it, as I say, in the sauce to finish off anyway, so that's fine. So, like the mushrooms, I will put these to one side, and then we'll get on with the rest of the dish. Okay, I've emptied out some of the fat from the chicken, and I'm going to replace it with a dollop of butter. And into that, I'm going to put 1 onion, chopped up, and we're going to sweat that off. Into those onions, or to that onion, I'm going to add 3 cloves of garlic, chopped up, plus 1 teaspoon of rosemary, 1 teaspoon of thyme. Actually, they were the other way around. And with those sweating down nicely, I will add 300 millilitres of chicken stock and 300 millilitres of double cream, or heavy cream, as Americans call it, plus 1 dessert spoon of Dijon mustard. This is good quality Dijon mustard. And just mix it all in. And with that starting to heat up, I will add back in the chicken and its juices, followed by the mushrooms and the pancetta. Just give it a good old mix. Basically, we're going to cook this until obviously the chicken is cooked through, but also when to see the sauce thicken slightly. How long it takes, I have no idea. I would say about 20 minutes or so, half an hour. I'm also going to add in some chopped flat leaf parsley, and about 60 grams of parmesan cheese. Right, my friends, I'm tucking in. I've taken a little piece out of the pan, as you can see, and I'm going to give it a go. What do you expect? It is fantastic. I mean, you can't go wrong with ingredients like chicken, cream, mushrooms, and oh, that Dijon as well. You can taste the Dijon in it. It's not too strong, just right. Those mushrooms are perfect. Cut them slightly thicker than you'd normally do them. Don't overcook them with the pancetta, and they'll retain just a little bit of bite when it comes to the final dish. Oh, absolutely fantastic. Like I said, I love this. You will too. Right, please give this a go. Let me know in the comments below how you get on, and I'll see you in the next video. So please like, comment and subscribe. If you can do that, it will be fantastic, and I shall see you in the next video. Excuse me.